Hey y'all, NoraLife365 here. I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to clean your microwave. First, put a microwave-safe container with water in it into the microwave. Cook about a minute to a minute and 30 seconds until you can easily wipe the gunk off the inner walls of the microwave. I just used paper towels. Repeat until all the walls and bottom are clean. Wash the microwave platter with dish soap and water. Wipe the outside of the microwave as well. That's it! It's super quick and easy. Please hit the like button if this video helped you. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching!